Okay, so here we are at our first choice location for our film's trailer. We're at Ashtead Common, and at the back here, very empty space. There's just several features that we feel would make this a good location for our film.
So the first feature that benefit our trailer is the density of all the trees around here. As you can probably see, there's loads of trees that would probably help our trailer look a bit more dark and a bit more scary. The fact that they overhang as well kind of makes, especially that part over there and most of the common, look quite intimidating and scary. So that's the first feature that we feel like that would benefit our horror love the most.
Okay, so another element that we feel would be effective for this location is if you just look around, there's very few people in this sort of area and space. So imagine this in the dark, there'll be less people, make it seem very abandoned, and that sort of feature looks like it's spooky and uninhabited, sort of deserted, and that's sort of something that is conventional to see in a horror film. So that's another reason why we think that's a good feature.
Okay, so the final feature of this location that would benefit our trailer most, I'd say, is the fact that it's civilised. There's quite a few houses around here, as you can probably see, which links our trailer in a positive way because we're having our first opening scene in an actual built-up house. So we feel like this would link well to the fact that it is fairly civilised and there are people still around, even though that this space we're in now is fairly abandoned. There's not many people around this area at the moment, but yeah, so we feel like that's the final feature that would benefit our film trailer. So this is our first idea for our trailer, first location idea. It's Ashtead Common over the railway, where it's more deserted and by itself.
So overall, the features that we've analysed in the film, we feel that this will make a very good conventional location for a horror film, and I feel that we will end up using it in our film.